Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall LinkedIn Premium trial and remove billing settings, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall your LinkedIn Premium trial, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the LinkedIn website and sign in to your account. Once logged in, click on the Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, locate the Subscriptions and Payments tab on the left side. Click on this tab to view your current subscription details. You should see your LinkedIn Premium subscription listed there. To proceed with cancellation, click on Manage Premium Account. Find the option that says Cancel Subscription and click on it. LinkedIn will present you with a cancellation confirmation prompt. Confirm that you want to cancel your subscription by selecting Continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the cancellation. Once your subscription is canceled, you will no longer be charged at the end of the trial period. Next, to remove your billing settings, return to the Subscriptions and Payments section. Look for the Payment Methods subsection. Click on Manage Payment Methods to access your billing details. Select the payment method you want to remove. Click on the Remove option next to your chosen payment method. Confirm your decision to remove the billing information. Your payment details will now be successfully removed from LinkedIn. Check your account to ensure that the changes have taken effect. You have now completed the process of uninstalling your LinkedIn Premium trial and removing your billing settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.